show you how to use the brush tool. Okay, so you need to be in the develop mode, and the brush tool is here. And the brush tool lets you select certain things so that you can change them. So normally, when I change the exposure, it's going to change the whole picture. Oh, hang on, just come off the brush tool. So normally it would change the whole thing. But say for example you just wanted to change the jacket and not the whole thing. You need to use the brush tool to select the bits you want to change. So if I go with the brush tool, okay, and you'll get this little plus sign. Now if you want to change the size of the brush, you can click on you can click on the brackets key. Okay, and that'll make it bigger. And if you press the other brackets key, it will make it smaller. Okay, so I'm now going to select something. Now you may be thinking, why is that gone red? Don't worry, it's not going to stay red. It's gone red to show you which bit you've selected, so you can see what you're doing. Red is because down the bottom it says show selected mask overlay. So we're kind of creating a mask here. If I click that off, it will disappear. It's just to show you what you've selected. So I'm going to select her jacket, because I think maybe we could lighten it. Okay, there we go. Right, I'm going to now move over here, and I'm going to start scrolling. And you'll see that instead of changing the whole thing, it should just change the jacket. So I'm now going to go exposure, I'm going to take it up, you can see it's just changing the jacket. So we could go all the way, that looks ridiculous. Or we could make it really dark, but we could just lighten the jacket a little bit. When you're done, you press done. Now, if you've made a mistake, yeah, say for example, accidentally went wrong, no bother, you can change that. I'm going to click on show mask, so I can see here that I didn't want to do a face, that was an accident. If you press Alt, and the Alt is next to the spacebar key, I'm going to hold down Alt, and you'll see that it's now changed to a minus. Watch, I'll do it again. Yeah? Now, hold that down. I'm holding it down. I'm going to make it bigger. Oh, come on. Don't crash. There we go. And now, when I click, rather than in adding, it's going to delete what I just did. So I can take away my mistake that I've just done. Okay? There we go. So now her face isn't all horrible as it was because I've managed to delete it. I'm going to press done. So what else? Let's select something else. I'm going to do another brush. Click it again. Come on. Okay, and I don't know, let's select the sky. Okay, now it looks like something's gone wrong here because it's making the sky go really, really dark. Okay, don't worry. So if we go over here, it's taken the exposure right down. Yeah, when really we wanted it on 0 and then we were going to play with it, but it's done it already, which is annoying. So I could just take that back to 0, and there we go. It's absolutely fine. But if it's moved a few things, which can be annoying, if you double click on effect, it will take all the bars back to 0. Okay. So for the sky, say I wanted to maybe make it more blue, I could do that. You see, it's just making the sky blue. It's managed to get a hair, which I don't like, so I'm going to press Alt. I'm going to take that off a little bit. Yeah, now, don't really like that. I just wanted to show you for effects of what it can do. I could take the exposure down a little bit on the sky, or I could take it up. So basically, it's just changing the sky. It's changing nothing else. Okay. So yeah, so basically all of this stuff you can select certain bits with the brush tool and then scroll. Double click on effect if you want all the scrolls back to 0. And I think that's it for the brush tool. Thank you.